Dragging your clubs around the course? No thanks. If you've ever wished for a round of golf that's easier on your back and smarter on your game, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the best electric golf trolleys of 2025 that'll quite literally follow you anywhere. From GPS displays to remote controls, we're breaking down the latest and greatest models to help you play fresher, smarter, and maybe even shave a few strokes off your scorecard. As always, links to every product featured are down below in the description, so check them out after the video if something catches your eye. Alright, let's roll. Alright, wrapping up our list at number 6, we've got a serious sleeper pick, the MGI Zip Navigator Remote Electric Trolley. Don't let the lower price tag fool you. This compact little machine brings the goods and then some. First off, let's talk about stability. Most electric trolleys struggle a bit when things get hilly or the terrain gets uneven. Not this one. Thanks to its clever four-wheel design, including that signature 4-3 stabilizing wheel, the Zip Navigator stays upright and locked in like a pro linebacker. Whether you're dealing with rolling fairways, patchy grass, or gravel cart paths, this trolley doesn't flinch. It even has automatic downhill speed control. So, when you're heading down a steep slope, it doesn't take off like a runaway cart at a Costco parking lot. Huge plus. Now, on to the remote control. This is one of the smoothest, most intuitive remotes we've used. You can steer it in any direction, adjust the speed, stop at mid-roll, or even lock the remote entirely so you don't hit a button by accident while grabbing your club. Battery-wise, it's powered by a lithium 24-volt system, so it'll last your full 18, no stress. It also comes with a USB charging port, which is perfect if you want to top off your phone or GPS mid-round. Alright folks, coming in at number 5 is one of the most high-tech, futuristic pieces of gear we've ever tested, the Steuart Q Follow electric trolley. If you're a gadget lover or someone who's always dreamed of having your very own robotic caddy, this one is going to blow your mind. The star of the show here? That unique Follow Me technology. Yep, you heard that right. This trolley actually follows you around the course. Just clip the remote onto your belt or stash it in your back pocket, and the Q Follow rolls right behind you like a loyal little golf puppy. It's completely hands-free, and the tracking is super smooth and shockingly accurate. Whether you're walking straight up the fairway or weaving between bunkers, it keeps pace with you like it's reading your mind. And while we're talking about the build, it looks sleek. The Q Follow has a futuristic design that's surprisingly minimalist, with clean lines and a low-profile frame that folds down effortlessly. And bonus, you don't even have to remove the battery when collapsing it. Just fold it and toss it in your trunk. Plus, the integrated carry handle is a nice touch for loading and unloading. The Steuart Q Follow is the ultimate tech lover's trolley. It's stylish, stable, and crazy fun to use. Imagine walking down the fairway, relaxed, drink in hand, while your cart glides along behind you. No pushing, no pulling, no remote in hand. That's next-level luxury. At number 4, we've got a serious fan favorite making a powerful comeback, the Moto Caddy 2025 M7 GPS Remote Electric Trolley. If you're familiar with the M7 from a couple of years ago, this 2025 version is everything you loved about the original, plus all the improvements we were hoping for. Moto Caddy really listened to player feedback, and the result is one of the most complete electric trolleys you can buy today. Now, let's start with the standout feature here, the built-in GPS. Not just any GPS either. We're talking full-hole mapping, crystal-clear yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, and hazards, all right on the handle-mounted touchscreen. It's big, bright, glove-friendly, and honestly one of the best golf GPS systems on any trolley. The M7 gives you full directional freedom, forward, back, left, right. It's all there on the remote, and the handling is incredibly responsive. So, who's this for? Honestly, anyone who wants a modern, GPS-smart, remote-controlled trolley without compromise. Whether you're a tech-savvy golfer or just want an easy, breezy round with less back strain, the Moto Caddy M7 GPS remote delivers. If you're upgrading from an older model or taking the plunge for the first time, the 2025 M7 is smoother, smarter, and more complete than ever. No more cables, no more subscriptions, just premium performance in the palm of your hand. All right, coming in strong at number 3, we've got the Steuart Vertix Remote Trolley. And if you're someone who loves walking the course but wants to ditch the hassle of pushing or pulling your bag around, This is the trolley you've been waiting for. Let's talk first impressions. This trolley looks premium. It's sleek, futuristic, and definitely stands out when it's cruising along behind you on the fairway. But this isn't just about style. The Verix remote is packed with brains and brawn. It all starts with Steuart Golf's two-step folding system, which makes setup and pack down super smooth. It folds down way more compactly than you'd expect for a high-end remote-controlled trolley. Honestly, I've used carts that took more effort than a tent to collapse, but not this one. Within seconds, you're ready to roll. Now, a quick heads up, there's no GPS built into the handle, which might be a deal breaker if you love integrated tech. But if you've already got a smartwatch or rangefinder, the Verix still delivers a world-class experience. It's not trying to do everything. It's laser-focused on giving you the best remote control performance on the market. If you're big on performance but tight on trunk space, the Moto Caddy CT12 GPS electric trolley is the sleek, modern solution you've been waiting for. This isn't just the most compact electric golf trolley on the market right now. It's also one of the most intuitive to use and best-looking options out there. Let's start with size. This thing folds down incredibly small, like carry-on luggage small, and it does so using Moto Caddy's simple two-fold system, which makes setup and pack down incredibly quick. It's a dream for those of us who don't want to wrestle with a trolley after 18 holes. Just fold, lock, and toss it in the back of your car. Done. Now, don't let the compact design fool you. This trolley is absolutely packed with premium features. The centerpiece? A brilliant 5-inch full-color touchscreen that's been redesigned in vertical format for better usability. It's crisp, bright, and responsive, even with your glove on. You get access to over 40,000 preloaded courses with no annual fees, giving you accurate distances to the front, middle, and back of the green, as well as key hazards, on nearly any course you'll play. If you want the best blend of tech, portability, and clean design, the CT12 delivers. It's compact enough to fit anywhere, smart enough to guide your game, and stylish enough to turn heads on the fairway. A total winner if you're serious about making your walk around the course smoother, smarter, and just a whole lot easier. If you want the best of the best, this is it. The Moto Caddy M7 GPS electric trolley is our top pick for a reason. It's got the brains and the muscle. Powered by a smooth 28.8-volt system, this trolley glides effortlessly through hills, gravel, wet grass, you name it. And folding it down? You don't even have to remove the battery. Just collapse it and go. But what really sets it apart is the 3.5-inch high-res touchscreen GPS built right into the handle. Rain or shine, gloved or barehanded, it works flawlessly. You get precise yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, hazard tracking, and pin positioning. Want more? With the optional Moto Caddy Performance Plan, you unlock advanced course mapping, stat tracking, scorekeeping, the whole 9 yards. If you're serious about improving your round, this is the trolley that keeps up. Effortless to use, tech-loaded, and built like a pro. So there you have it, our top picks for the best electric golf trolleys of 2025. Whether you're after touchscreen GPS, remote control, compact size, or full-on follow-me tech, there's something here for every type of golfer and budget. If one of these stood out to you, be sure to hit those product links in the description and see what deals are out there today. And if you've used one of these trolleys, or think we missed a great one, drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our next golf gear breakdown. Until then, keep your swing smooth and your caddy battery charged.